Hi everybody, I am in the WeCreate MakeIt software and I just want to clear up some confusion that I had the last time I was live regarding the files that are available in the software. So if I click right here on Discover and let's just say I want to open this file right here and make it. This is one of the files that I tried to open when I was live just to see what the layers would look like. You can see that this file is free for premium members. As a matter of fact, all of the files are free for premium members. If I click on Make It, it should be added to my canvas. And when it goes over to the canvas, it looks like the file is incomplete. So when I tried to open it, I tried several files. When I tried to open them, they didn't look complete. So let me show you what this one looks like and what to do if you experience this same thing. So right here, here's the file. It looks like there's nothing. So I was like, where's the rest? There's nothing there. I reached out to WeCreate to see like, where's the rest of the files? These files look incomplete. I clicked on layer and it still looked like it was incomplete. What you actually have to do is click right here on canvas and then you'll see all of the layers that go along with the file. And it's that way for a lot of the files that have multiple layers. So I hope this helps. Maybe you knew that and I was just the only person who didn't know that. Drop down in the comments and let me know if you knew that already. And if you didn't, if it helped. Hope it did. Thanks. Bye.